the latest development of the RG Kar postgraduate trainee doctor, the Calcutta High Court has ordered Dr. Shondeep Ghosh, former principal of RG Kar Hospital, to take an extended leave following the brutal rape and murder of a doctor on campus. The State Council has been asked to produce a resignation letter and the appointment letter of the principal. The court says it needs to be seen as to what he has written in his resignation letter. The post-mortem report has also been handed over to the family of the victim. Now, the final autopsy report has revealed further details of the brutal attack. The report suggests that the death to be homicidal and ante-mortem, meaning the victim was dead before she was found, and it mentioned the time of the death to be between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has said that if the Kolkata police is unable to nab culprits involved in this case by next Sunday, the case shall be transferred to the CBI. Mamata met with the victim's family and assured them that this case shall go to fast track.
If all the culprits aren't nabbed by Sunday, we shall transfer the investigation to the CBI. I have no problem with this, but their success rate has been quite low in the past. However, for the satisfaction of the general public and the protesters, I will transfer the case to them on Sunday. There is no doubt that the Kolkata police, however, is the best in the world in terms of the probes they conduct. We have put our best officers forward in this case, equipped with all the resources available. Sandeep Ghosh resigned under the current circumstances, but we told him that he doesn't have to work there and that we will transfer him. We have already moved the MSVP and the head of the chess department because of negligence. Police who was in the ACP post during that time has also been removed. Forensics, dog squad, video team, everyone has been called in to help in the investigation.
A two-member NCW team led by Delina Khongdup arrived in Kolkata on 12th of August and went to the police headquarters at Lal Bazar from the airport to speak to officers investigating the case.
On duty Dr. Bomita Devnath. She was on duty in her ward. वार्ड में रात को 2 बजे के बाद कोई स्टाफ ऑन ड्यूटी नहीं था। आरजी कार मेडिकल कॉलेज में 3 बजे के आसपास 3 से 6 के बीच में इज द टाइम दैट दे हैव डिसाइडेड कि इस बीच में ये चीज हुई। ऑन ड्यूटी डॉक्टर मोमिता देवनाथ।
Those are the visuals on your screen of doctors protesting and wanting answers for the brutal rape and murder of their colleague.
अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं आया क्योंकि प्रोसीजर रहता है, उसके लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है। सैंपल्स जो उन्होंने कलेक्ट किया है, चाहे हो सकता है कि 6 सैंपल्स कलेक्ट किया है या 4 सैंपल्स कलेक्ट किया है, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगता है।
What steps have you asked hospital to take presently since you have seen the lapses? Have you suggested any steps to be taken in this medical college?
Yes.
Students are agitated, they need to be diffused, I suppose.
Yes. We have suggested, हमने सजेस्ट किया है कि सिक्योरिटी जो एजेंसी है यहाँ पर जो काम करते हैं उनको भी सिक्योरिटी मतलब एजेंसी से उन्होंने सस्पेंस किया है जो उस वक्त प्रेजेंट थे सिक्योरिटी पर्सनल, उनको सस्पेंड किया गया है। और अभी हॉस्पिटल की तरफ से, अथॉरिटी की तरफ से भी उनसे फिर से बात करेंगे और इम्प्रूवमेंट की बहुत ज़रूरी है। वी नीड टू इम्प्रूव एवरीवेयर बिकॉज ये सिचुएशन। यस
मैडम, ये जो प्रिंसिपल था उसको चेंज किया गया। प्रिंसिपल पहले कहा था कि ये जो मृतका वो मानसिक स्तर से ठीक नहीं है, और आज हाई कोर्ट में जो केस चल रहा है वो उसमें हाई कोर्ट ने प्रिंसिपल को फटकार लगाया और प्रिंसिपल की स्टेटस है उसके बारे में रिपोर्ट मांगे है। तो प्रिंसिपल होकर एट द अर्ली स्टेज उन्होंने ऐसा कहा था, क्या कहेंगे इस बारे में?
ये बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है। अगर प्रिंसिपल की तरफ से ही ऐसा स्टेटमेंट आता है तो इट्स रियली shows that he is so insensitive about this matter.
Ma'am, the accused is connected with the Kolkata police. He is a CV volunteer and he is also attached with the welfare of the Kolkata.
No, we won't allow this to happen. We won't allow this to happen. Actually, we have instructed the police. We have, in fact, request the police also to be very, very sensitive because this is an inhuman act. ये हमें एक एग्जाम्पल सेट करना चाहिए कि दूसरी बार हमारे सिटी में ही नहीं, हमारे देश में ये दोबारा नहीं होना चाहिए. तो इतना तो हमने पुलिस को भी रिक्वेस्ट किया है कि जल्द से जल्द और स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेना है. और पुलिस ने भी इस मैटर को रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयर केस उस में कंसिडर किया गया है.
Will you
ठीक है?
visit the family? Will you visit the family?
I visited yesterday.
And the spot of the incident?
We will visit.
मैडम आई हैव वन क्वेश्चन.
मैम पीड़ितों का नाम बताया गया है. पीड़ित का नाम बताया गया है.
रणदीप घोष
This
ने प्रेस
is-
कॉन्फ्रेंस किया, उसमें विक्टिम
प्रेस
का
मीट
नाम
में
लिया
बताया गया
है.
है
आप
पीड़ित
कोई
का नाम.
उसका नोटिस भेजेंगे इसके?
Press
So
conference.
we will take action on that. We will take strict action on that. This is so insensitive. This is so inhuman. क्योंकि हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर भी कि किसी भी कहीं भी विक्टिम का नाम डिस्क्लोज नहीं करना चाहिए. तो उनकी तरफ से उनके वहाँ से बहुत बड़ा इनसेंसिटिविटी और बहुत बड़ा गलती किया है उन्होंने.
आप नोटिस भेजेंगे क्या उसके खिलाफ? कोई
Yes,
नोटिस?
yes, we will do accordingly. We will discuss accordingly. ठीक है? With the police will talk about it.
जूनियर डॉक्टर्स जो एजिटेशन कर रहा है उन लोग उनके लिए कोई मैसेज या फिर उनके
The whole
साथ
state is
मिलेंगे?
We have spoken to them. जब हमने अथॉरिटी के साथ बात किया था तो उनको भी हमने इंक्लूड किया है. तो थोड़ा सा आप लोग की तरफ से भी ये कोऑपरेट कर दीजिए हमारे साथ.
उन्होंने कुछ डिमांड किया है आपके
हाँ,
साथ?
उन्होंने डिमांड दिया है. उनका डिमांड है तो हमने कहा है कि रिफ्रेश डिमांड आप दे देना अथॉरिटी को. ठीक है? क्योंकि प्रिंसिपल नए आए हैं, अथॉरिटी नए हैं, क्योंकि चेंज किया गया है सब. तो उनको हमने सजेस्ट किया है कि आप फिर से अपने डिमांड सबमिट कर दीजिए. ठीक है? थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
इमरजेंसी
मैम एक सवाल है.
And joining us to speak more on this horrific rape and murder is Aditi Basu Ray, who's a journalist. Aditi, thank you so much for making the time to join us on this broadcast. Aditi, everyone has spoken. The Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has spoken. We just heard member of the NCW Dalina speaking. Everyone has spoken, but there is one question which remains in the minds of people. That how does this happen in a hospital which is super busy? Unless there is kind of connivance.
Yeah, that is actually very, very unfortunate for us because it's on, she is on the on-call doctor at that day and she is working. You know, she worked for 36 hours at a stretch before the incident. Then she took 2 hours of leave. Then her body found tortured and dead the next morning. That is very, very unfortunate. And the same question that you asked, how does it happen? That is the most important question that we are searching for. And you know that our CM, she ordered for within Sunday, the investigation should be closed, and one person who is arrested already. But we want the truth because all the reports of forensic and post-mortem that's saying that there is many more persons are involved. So we have to search and we have to wait because we have to take trust on the authority. We can't do anything. One thing is that we are in rage, we are angry, and that's why we arranged a night out of women of the whole state on 14th August before the Independence Day. So that's our protest. But we have the same question. How does it happen when a doctor is on call, on duty, and she is being raped and she has been tortured and she murdered. That is
Yeah,
really, really
because
true.
very RB Kaur hospital, very busy hospital, several
Yeah.
CCTV cameras, people coming and going. You know, it's not like at night it shuts down. I mean, there is always activity. Also, Aditi, what do you think about the video clip which was shared widely yesterday? You know, two doctors talking amongst themselves. Where are these leaks happening from? Today, I'm hearing that the victim's face has also been revealed. I mean, this is gross injustice, Aditi.
Exactly, I have the same question. You know that these specs are not victims because the victim doesn't use any specs. So far, I know. So whose specs are this? Is this right? I have no information that she was using a specs. And another thing that the Arjikar hospital, I went there personally yesterday. That was totally crowded at the night. And there is another question: the seminar hall where the body found. There is no entry for common people. So how can it just happen there? There is a common that the person who arrested, she is not involved with any medical activities and not even a patient. The thing is, she was a civic police. So how does he get an entry of that of
Yeah,
that
all
night
right.
there?
Yeah, Aditi, now that Sanjoy Roy has been nabbed and he's also said, hang me if you want, very dramatically. Meanwhile, his mother
Yeah.
says, my son is innocent, he's not done anything. Of course, we'll have to wait and watch what happens. But do you think there is a deep conspiracy to this, Aditi, than what meets the eye?
I have two questions. First is, at the first day when the dead body found, the parents were told that she had suicide. She did suicide and she killed herself. That is not right at all. And after a few minutes or a few hours, the statement has been changed. You know that. So why at first, after revealing the body, why they told that it was a suicide? Another thing, the hearsay van that went to the home from the burial place, uh, her parents are not allowed on that car. They went with the police van. This is the another question. And third question is, where are the four guys who were there at the night with that girl and they shared their dinner? They ordered their dinner at Zomato. So far we concerned. So where are that four guys? I have these three questions.
All right, and on that note, Aditi, thank you so much for joining us on this broadcast. We'll have to wait and see where this case goes, the horrific rape and murder of a young doctor in Kolkata.